Okay, this is the first time that I've actually made a video about something that I'm using. This stuff here, I used it yesterday and today. It's called fogAWAY anti-fog spray. It's for glasses, and I've had a problem in the past when I've had the welding helmet on that these glasses really get fogged up bad and I can't see. Well, yesterday I used it, and while I was on doing the welding with the helmet on, glasses didn't fog up one bit. It worked great. Today, I didn't know how long this stuff lasts, and I went ahead and tried to do the welding without the glasses. I started fogging up, so then I used this spray again today and put the glasses on. Not a problem. It works fantastic as far as I'm concerned. I have no problems with it, no gripes. And actually, if you wear glasses underneath a welding helmet or something like that where you're having a problem with your glasses always fogging up, I would say go ahead and get on Amazon and buy this and use it. It works great for me. So this is the shortest video I've ever made. So go ahead and hit that subscribe and bell button. And this is the end of this video. Have a better day.